everyone! Today the Bookworms are going to be reading Supertato, Veggies Assemble by Sue Hendra and Paul Linnet. Let's get into the book! It was nighttime in the supermarket and everyone was sleeping peacefully. Or were they? Someone was looking for trouble. Mwahahaha. Soon, this supermarket will be mine, all mine. And with one click, all the freezers were switched off. You may already know this, but some vegetables are frozen for a very good reason. If they defrost, they turn bad. Really bad, and baddest of them all is the evil pea. Wakey, wakey, he called. One evil pea is bad enough, but now there were bags of them. The supermarket was in meltdown. Run for it, panicked Pepper. Save me, stuttered Pear. Save me, begged Melon. Save me, cried Carrot. I'm melting, pleaded Lolly, and time's running out. Was there anyone who could save them? Supertato to the rescue! But before Supertato could save anyone, he was attacked by a swarm of peas. What's going on? Asked Aubergine. We're doomed. That's what, cried Cucumber. Things were going from bad to worse. Supertato was thrown onto the conveyor belt, and he was heading straight for the bagging area. Was this the end for Supertato? I'm going to need some backup. If I can just call the click. Super Veggies to the rescue! They used ninja know-how. Hi-ya! They used massive muscles. Hurr! They used fancy footwork. And they used a box with a door cut in it. But what about the lollies? And where was Supertato? Sorry I'm late. I just needed to pick up some dessert. And now for those freezers. Click. And I'll be needing a glass and a piece of paper. Eh? Who ordered the vegetables? Screeched the evil pea. You think you've beaten me? But I'm going to... You are going to do what? Asked Supertato. 3 cheers for Supertato, shouted Broccoli. Supertato blushed. I couldn't have done it without the super veggies. Actually, I'm not a vegetable. I'm a fruit, said Tomato. And everybody laughed and cheered. So, with the peas back in their bags and the freezers locked, the supermarket was once again a safe place to be. Isn't it wonderful? Said one lolly to the other. We are all back to normal again. The end. That's it for today, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed. For more read-alongs like these, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed the book, give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend. Don't forget to join us every day for a new video with a fun read-along. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!